guys, this is Arty, Crafty and Josie. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy Easter craft. My mum cut out this big cardboard egg and this small paper egg, and I'm going to go outside and decorate them with things I find in the garden. Now it's super sunny outside, so I'm wearing this super cool sun hat that I decorated last year. Now it's time to decorate. So let's head on outside. Ooh, look at the shadow. Ooh, the shadow's so weird. But cool as well. Anyway, let's go, go, go. Start snipping some of these. I found the teeniest, tiniest, smallest and cutest snail ever to exist. Look at its shadow, it's so cool. You know what, I don't even need to decorate it. But I will anyway, so let's go. Okay, that's the small egg done. And I think it's beautiful. On to the next. Now it's time to do the big egg. Now I've got a lot of supplies. So I'm going to start off with a dandelion. There. Actually, I've changed my mind. I'm going to do it Oh, this rosemary smells so nice. Oh, these leaves, they're so soft. They're so soft. So I've got to be kind of careful because this is from a bramble and so it's kind of spiky, but I'm using it anyway. This is my finished egg. I love it and I think it's beautiful. So, like and subscribe for more videos and bye!